Today I'm along with one of my very dear friends who's like the Lord of Goa. Well, it's a dear friend Avinash Martins and he is right here. So,
Hi,
where are you taking us?
I'm taking you to a special place where I grow my vegetables and my fruits. It's a nice little garden, and from there we are heading to the farm and we're doing some cooking there.
Oh wow, this is farm to plate. Lovely experience. देखते हैं क्या निकलने वाला है. Let's see and let's get to the farm right away. So that's your lovely farm, Avinash. This is such a great thing. Now, what all is growing here?
We have different type of vegetables growing,
Uh-huh.
and these are very seasonal.
Ah.
So this is taking us about 45 days to about 60 days to harvest, right from sowing the crop. So we've got red amaranthus, green amaranthus, corn, chili, radish, choli is pinto
Amaranthus,
beans, pinto beans,
Okay.
and eggplant.
So guys, obviously Avinash is in Goa and the major spoken language here is English. So for all the Hindi speaking people, यहाँ पर काफ़ी कुछ उग रहा है. यहाँ पर भुट्टा उग रहा है, यहाँ पे चुलाई उग रही है, यहाँ पे मिर्ची उग रही है, यहाँ पे एक टाइप की लोबिया उग रही है. बहुत सारी चीज़ें उग रही हैं और इन्हीं में से हम आज कुछ ना कुछ हार्वेस्ट करके लेके जाएंगे और खाना बनाएंगे. बहुत बढ़िया सीन होने वाला है. आज की सुबह की कमाई बहुत अमेजिंग है. आपको दिखाई जाए हमारी कमाई है क्या. वैसे बहुत सारा कुछ निकाला गया है और उसे फ्रेश पानी में डाला गया है. दिखाता हूँ. सो दिस इज तामड़ी भाजी, लाल एंड हरी, मूली, pumpkin flowers,
bottle gourd, ridge gourd.
rich gourd.
It's a wrap up from the farm.
Wrap up from the farm. Now we get to your
The
farm.
kitchen. Yeah, we
The
get to the
kitchen.
kitchen now.
Let's go and cook. So bro, we are back and amazing stuff. So what have you got in your mind?
So we have got fresh fish today, which I just got from the beach. We've got a pomfret,
Wow.
and notice we're using a size which is not too big, not too small. This is the right size for any fish. It has to be this size for the right amount of flesh
too
texture.
big.
Not too big.
Not too big.
So we're going to start by just cleaning the fish off. Just basic. We're going to trim the fins off.
So the best part about using a SILBATTA is that it grinds it really fine. Some coriander.
Some coriander, some tamarind. We're doing the cola chillies here.
They call it cola or Cancona.
Or Cancona, yes.
Okay.
So we can start. Similarly, the second way, the other side, where we're going to use the similar marination. First, the gashes.
So Avinash has brought this thing out जिससे बांधा जाएगा fish को.
So now we got the patra de Goa. The fish has been marinating for about 20 minutes. Now it's ready to go on the grill. I've got a medium grill going on here, medium fire, and this is going to be cooking for about 20 minutes.
So recap up till now, the beautiful fish is marinated with that lovely spice mix which was made with coriander, with the local Goan chilies, some jeera, some green chili, some coconut. That was seriously amazing.
So it's been about 7 to 8 minutes now. So I've just turned the fish. It was cooking on one side for about 7 to 8 minutes. I've just turned it up, and I'm going to do the same thing. Repeat, cook it for about another 5 to 10 minutes now.
Avinash has now going to give us another recipe with chicken.
Yes.
Which is his recipe. Amazing stuff. We're going to also put that on the barbecue.
So elsewhere in India where there is a tandoor being used, you can use it in the tandoor.
Uh-huh.
Definitely the charcoal will impart a very different flavor.
Okay.
In our case, I'm going to use mango wood.
So the same grill, this is going to be parked
This is
on.
going to park on the same grill.
Lovely. So the chicken is ready to go in the pit. So I think we're going to start with the colder zone first, and then we're going to bring it to the hot. Is that right, sir?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
So some oiling to the grill.
Yes. And this is about 70% done.
So this is what we plucked in the morning, and this is that turiya bhaji or torai or rich gourd, whatever you want to say. So all we have to do is just take this green masala and put it right all in. It's nice, khatta, spicy. So पूरी तरह से इसको marinate करके, I'm going to just leave some inside.
Good 10 minutes.
Whoa!
They say there is no love sincere than food. And somebody who had said it rightly said it. Look at the color of this grill. It's got green, red, orange, white, green, different flavor.
So the tamarind bhaji which we brought in the morning is now becoming a pulao, starting with ghee. So a little bit of haldi. And this lovely spread is ready. We got some sannas, the fish, the chicken, the veggies, and the boys.
Yay!
So this is how family meals should be. So after a long cooking session, a nice refreshing drink is always good. Thank you so much, Avinash,
It's
for
a
having
pleasure.
us.
It's a pleasure to have you, chef, and entire family.
Now it's time to just enjoy this beautiful lunch. So bye bye, we'll see you soon. Alright, this video is obviously after that amazing, heavy, beautiful, fulfilling, so amazing lunch. Thank you, chef.
It is a pleasure, chef,
Avinash.
to have you and family at a small little place here.
So I want you to talk to me about this place. What is it called? Why is it called? And what happens here?
So the place, I have called it C'est La Vie. That's me. Avinash is my name, so I called it C'est La Vie. The whole concept is when I came here with my granny at the farm. It was a coconut and a cashew plantation. So memories of us coming and spending time around, and my experiences of Goa through my food is what the place is all about.
Wow, wow. So for everybody who's traveling to Goa, Cavatina restaurant in Benolim is a must place to go, and obviously you just can't come to C'est La Vie because you have to have a reservation for minimum 6 to 12 people. Then Chef Avinash will cook his heart out. He will give you what he really is all about, and that's a special chef's table which can be booked, pre-booked with Cavatina or Chef Avinash. So this video is obviously a memory for me. It's probably the best day of my life because, you know, I was close to nature, I was close to a friend, and we were doing what we love to do, cooking. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I promised in the beginning of this year that we will keep doing vlogs. So this is a vlog of an amazing day in Goa.